Okay, in this problem, we're being asked to find the length of side x of the triangle, and you can see that we got a little bit of work to do here. All right, so we have two right triangles, and the first thing we have to do is figure out the hypotenuse of the first triangle. Now, keep in mind that we're going to be using the formula side squared times plus side squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So in the first triangle, the one with the numbers circled, we have 3 squared plus 6 squared. Those are the legs. And that's going to give us 9 plus 36 equals 8 squared, which gives us 45. Now, the opposite of squaring a number would be to take the square root of it. So if we take the square root of both sides of the equation, we're left with h is equal to the square root of 45. So the hypotenuse, actually it's the hypotenuse for both triangles, is going to have a length of the square root of 45. So we're going to mark that. That gives us two sides of the triangle. So now we're able to find the missing length of the second triangle. So let's make a little room here on the board and set our equation up again. We have side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared. We know that the two sides that make up the right angle are the side marked x and the side marked 2. Those are the legs. And the hypotenuse has a length of the square root of 45 units. So we're going to do side squared plus side squared equals hypotenuse squared. That gives us 2 squared plus x squared, or s squared, equals the square root of 45. Now, we're going to work the numbers out. So 2 squared is 4. The square root of 45 squared is just 45, because the radical sign and the square cancel each other out. We're going to take 4 from each side now, and that gives us s squared is equal to 41. And like we did before, the opposite of the square of a number would be to take the square root of it. So s is equal to the square root of 41. That means the length of side x is going to be the square root of 41. In this case, the answer is letter C.